Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel in Expert Coding. Today I tell you how to make calculator from Python coding. How to make calculator in Python? You can easily make calculator from Python coding. So let's go. Write our program and make calculator from Python coding. So come in my desktop and open your notepad. Open your notepad and full screen of notepad. First here write First program here write input of Python, input of calculator. Here write num one is equal to integer value. All calculator in integer value 1 2 3 4 5 all integer values. So here take a scanner. So mm, mm, here write input and here enter enter your first number first number enter your first number, double bracket, dollar. And next, double input because then I add two numbers. So where to enter two numbers? Only I take one number, first number. So necessary take second number. Here right, num2 is equal to same line. Let's here in input enter your second number. Sorry, enter sorry your second number. Enter your second number. Right. Next. Now, now I take operator. Now I take operator. So here we take operator. Okay, operator input. Operator input. Here I give in bracket operator. Select your operator. Select your operator. Sorry. Select your operator like plus, minus, multiplication, and division. So all are operator and hit enter. Now I take condition. I put here condition. So I write if OPR, sorry, operator, if operator is equal to plus, is equal to plus. If your operator is plus, so what print? Print sum of two number. Print sum of two number and here sum num1 plus num2. That's one is clear. Next here take condition il if because in Python take here il if operator is equal to minus is equal to minus is equal to minus. So not print here. Yes, sum of two sum of two number. Same condition here take num1. Here take minus because sub do because I do sub. So here take num1 minus num2. It's complete. Next, more take will shape in if operator is equal to multiplication. This will be equal to multiplication. So print here, print here, multiply of two numbers. Multiply of sorry, multiply of two numbers. Multiply of two numbers, and here same condition. Num1 here take multiply and num2 and hit enter. Next if again I take here elif better equal to divided. So what print here? Shouldn't have I take one concept. Sorry, divided of two numbers. Divided of two numbers. Same condition here take num1 divided and num2. So in last I take here only is to print here divided operator. Hmm, my program is completed, and now going to save this program. Save program, and I save on desktop. Name program name here cal cal save cal dot py. Now I'm going to run this program. Open command prompt, and here I will go to first desktop. Sorry. I am from desktop, and here write Python calc calc.py and hit enter. Enter your first number. Here enter your first number. I do give 10 and sorry 10 and hit enter. Enter your second number. Here 20 and hit enter. Select your operator plus minus into. I do minus and hit enter. Your answer is can sub of two number minus 10. 10 minus 20 is equal to minus 10. And here not come a space, so here I give a space first number. Here I give a space. Sorry. Also here I give a space. And save the program. And again run this program. And again run Python calculate hit enter. Sorry. No. Okay. This mistake here. program is ready, and again enter your first number T. Enter your second number. Okay. Enter your second number 5. Sorry, 5. Okay, and hit enter. Select your operator. What do you want? So I do want to multiply. So here put it multiply and hit enter. So my answer is come multiply of two number 15 5 ja 250. I hope you are understand my program. Thank you for watching this video.